Hello guys, I'm Halim Quest to tell you in this tutorial how to the rescue of your deleted Gmail accounts, or by unfortunately, deliberately, you have deleted your Gmail accounts. Now you would like to the rescue of it or the recover it. Of course this can be the possible. How it is shown. See, this area has been recently deleted because after recovery data, one viewer who has recommended to other delete the permanently. Now it's saying that some data left inside. So yes, we would like to the rescue of that data also. So how could I go for deleted account to rescue of it? So we will see live. Without having the recovery email and the recovery phones, we will try to rescue. Let's see what's going to happen. Yes, here this is a try another way, and when we tap, so see how it's coming, especially we tap on here, we are in a shining. When we go for especially account to next, now it's things and deleted. So the can I go for next? When we go for next, then it's asking especially, I mean, see here password, we don't have a password, so can I go for try another way? Now it is asking the last password. Can I go for another way? Now see here is asking especially try another way. Yes, this phone number has been especially still especially exist on it. Show. Can I go for another way? Yes, don't have. So now it's a function that especially motives to the rescue of this account. So let's try again, and of course we will go for here to rescue of it. Can I go for next? Yes, we will tap on it to an accent. So when we go for now, it's a function that it has been deleted. So now here what we will do guys, here just we will have to go for an accent. Check it out which one is better for me to give sufficient information to the Google. So just we will go for here now. When we tap on here, so now that we can of course enter here the last password. Let's see. I'm trying to the rescue. Now that we can see here, just we will tap to our next, and let's see what's going to happen. So first, now see, this area has been especially fully recovered. Now what we will do guys here, just simply we will go for change the password. When we go for in the change the password, then of course here we will have options to especially change the password, create a password. Then we will go in the security center and we will add especially particulars, yes, email and recovery phone, so that this area will be permanently secured. Because this there was one especially old phone number that was also registered. So we will delete that number, we will remove that, and we will add a new phone number, as well as we will add an alternative especially email. So this is an easy way to the rescue of any permanent deleted accounts guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.